does a family-run landscaping business generate over $30 million in annual revenue with hard work, sharp clippers, and a fierce dedication to client success? That's how.
Earthworks is a family, most importantly. We're a commercial landscape management company. We provide services, everything from ongoing maintenance activities like mowing, weed control, fertilization, things like that, all the way to tree trimming, outdoor kitchens, outdoor living areas, basically anything outside we do. But more importantly, we're a family first. Our clients are made up of primarily large commercial clients. Our primary segment is multifamily residential, also known as apartment complexes. We also do a lot of work for local municipalities. We do some large industrial manufacturing type work as well. Anything outdoors is right up our alley.
Earthworks, Inc. employs over 400 people, and they serve clients all over the state of Texas.
I think we're the best at customer service. We're really able to do that by listening to our clients and their needs, and by making sure that any relationships that we do have are mutually beneficial. Everybody thinks that their staff and their team is the best. All I can say about ours is that I'm excited to get up every day and go to work with them, and I can't imagine another team that I would want to go to war with every single day to try to make the world a better place and make our clients' worlds and the people around us a better place. Value, service, and integrity. Value, we want to make sure, like I mentioned, the mutually beneficial relationships, we want to make sure that those work together and everybody's winning in the business relationship. The service goes back to the customer service. Anybody can pick up a lawnmower and a rake and get started in this industry. It's building those relationships and being there and listening to your clients is what really sets the best in this industry apart. The one thing I know is that this company is always going to put their best foot forward and do the best for their clients, as well as make sure we like to give back to the community and local charities around us.
I just think really that consultative process where we communicate a lot with our customers, I think it really comes down to communication. And when you really look into what their needs are and you expose, hey, that's going to cause this problem or that problem, and really look at things in the big picture situation, it helps the customers make decisions and actually expand what they're doing when you explain to them the whole big picture operation.
Earthworks sets themselves apart from other landscaping firms with their dedication to their client success. That mentality is why they continue to grow like a well-kept lawn.
I cover 100 properties across multiple states. So my goal was to find a partner, literally a partner that I could trust, rely on, and Chris and his team have been so honest and on many occasions to a fault in their pocket. And I would say they do the right thing for the right reason. The right reason isn't always about, trying to make a buck. They know that it's a progressive, long-term relationship, and they want to foster that by doing the right thing for the right reason.
At the end of the day, when a client is happy with our work, it makes our team and our guys feel good, but we also get to go to bed at the end of the night knowing that we made the work environment and living space for people in our community better. And when it comes down to it, we're going to listen to our family, those vendors, those clients, those employees, before we're going to listen to a spreadsheet or financials. We always like to try to keep that family-oriented culture front of mind.
As we've grown, in addition to creating opportunities for others, we've also been able to give back to our community a lot. By building this company or building this business, we're able to do so many things that I could never do by myself. Whether it's teaching, whether it's helping, whether it's investing in the community, none of those things would be possible if we weren't doing the day-to-day hard work. But that's what really makes it worthwhile at the end.
To find out more about Earthworks, Inc., visit earth.works and designingspaces.tv.